On today's Florida Ocean Roads, we'll be riding along North Ocean Boulevard to Worth Avenue, the Rodeo Drive of Palm Beach, and see the Everglades Club at the west end of Worth Avenue. We'll then pass by the Colony Hotel, a historic boutique hotel in the heart of Palm Beach. We'll continue our drive to see the famous Breakers Hotel and finish our ride along North Ocean Drive. Don't miss seeing the beautiful azure blue waters of the Atlantic Ocean. My name is Sarah. I'm your host. I've lived in Florida for over 60 years. I love my state and want to share it with you. Where are you watching from? Enjoy today's ride. And here is Worth Avenue. It is renowned for its high-end shops, beautiful architecture, and vibrant atmosphere. Driving down this avenue gives you a glimpse into the luxurious lifestyles of the rich and famous in Palm Beach, with its upscale boutiques, art galleries, and fine dining options. And don't miss seeing the exclusive Everglades Club, which has long been criticized for reported discrimination against Jewish and Black people. The club's complex is believed to be the structure where famed architect Addison Meisner first created the romantic architectural style known as the Palm Beach look. Courtyards, roof lines, wrought iron and tile work from Spain, and arched windows, villas and loggias from Italy. Before that, northern architecture had been the norm. Now on to the Colony Hotel. The Colony was founded in 1947 and has been added as a historic landmark by the Palm Beach County Preservation Commission. The hotel has been partially continuously owned by the Wentenhall family since 1970. And now to see the Breakers Hotel. The Breakers in Palm Beach is a historic Renaissance Revival-style luxury hotel with 534 rooms. During the 1895-96 winter season, business tycoon Henry Flagler opened the first Breakers Resort, known as the Palm Beach Inn upon its original opening. It was renamed the Breakers in 1901 after guests requested rooms over by the Ocean Breakers. The current structure is the third incarnation of the hotel, having opened in December 1926 following two earlier structures on the same site that burned down in 1903 and 1925. And on a personal note, I worked in the grand main dining room as a roll and relish girl when I was 17 years old. Let's round out today's drive now along North Ocean Boulevard. I hope you enjoyed the ride. Please like, comment, and subscribe to be notified when I take another ride along Florida's ocean roads.